All right. So, in the case of Rise 360, you can also open it from here, from the Articulate 360 desktop screen. You can just click on Rise 360 Launch, and it will open up in the browser only because it's an online portal through which you can create your content. Now, in this case, whenever you want to create a new course, you can just click on Create New. You can choose course or micro learning. This is going to be like based on what kind of lesson you want to create. If you want a small single lesson, or like a single topic lesson or something like that, you can go for micro learning. If you want more comprehensive or a bigger lesson or a course, you can go for course. So let's start with the course here. As you can see over here, you do have multiple templates to choose from. Okay. And you can use any of these templates, or you can go with the blank course as well. So if in case you want to go with the templates, you can choose the department in which you want to get the lessons. You can also mix and match the lessons, right? Let's go for leadership maybe. So new manager training, communicating change, and all these are there. I'm going to choose this one. Once you select the template, it's going to take you to the page to modify your template even further, right? Okay, so these are the lessons which we have. In the introduction, you have the topics: a manager's role, adopting managerial presence, and then leading day-to-day activities, what all things are there. If you want to add more lessons to it, you can simply click on this add icon over here in between to add more content, right? And it is going to add the lesson title and all those things over here. In case you want to add some more details, you can do that, right? Suppose this is what I want to work with. You can go for edit content. It's going to open the page which is there for the manager's role. And if you want to edit any paragraph, you can definitely add the content here, or paragraph with heading. What kind of um, content do you want? You can choose it from here. Okay, it has some pre-built, you can say preset features over here. Then you can edit the content style or format it, right? Whether you want medium, large, what kind of heading, the padding that you want in between from the top, how much padding do you want, right? Content width, whether you want it large, medium, or small, the width of the content. Okay. Then apart from this, style is for the color. Okay. You can choose any color. You can create custom one as well. So these are the options over here. You can also add your own section. In case you want to add an image, you can do that. If you want to modify any text or anything, you can very easily do that over here, right? This is the default one which is already created, the template which is already created. Now, suppose I want to add some more content here. I can click on add, use the option which you want. You want to add a chart, divider, block templates, or image list, whatever you want. Like, for example, if you want block templates, it's going to show you some of the recent ones. You can also go for new block template. Okay, and now what is it exactly? Like once you click on the parts which you want, like suppose these are the three sections which I want in multiple pages. So I can save this as a template. Sometimes you have header section, footer section. For those things, it's much better. Okay, now let's add it in the bottom. Like suppose I want the same thing over here. Now, if I go to the block templates, it's going to show me the template which I have added. And you can see the same thing appeared at the bottom, all the three blocks. If you don't want it, you can simply delete it from here. You can duplicate any block. Okay. You can add some more items as well, like image maybe. You want what kind of image, text on the image and text, image with full width or centered image, whatever you want, you can select that. Once you select this, after that, you can just modify the option over here as well. Like you can create a carousel, which is like your slideshow. Okay. 2-column grid, 3-column grid. What kind of layout do you want? So this is for the layout setting. Then if you want to edit the image, you can go for edit text on image or edit the image over here. You can replace this image with a new image in your folder. Okay. There's option of replace from content library as well. So this is the content library 360 library that we have. You can select any image from here also to replace it with. So these are the things which you can do in your Rise 360. You can click on preview. So these are all the course content which was already there in the template. I've just modified some of it. Right? It's a very quick way of creating your responsive layout. Okay. Then that's it. Let's go back now. So just try to explore this much first. If you want, you can very easily publish it to your LMS, web, PDF, or Reach 360. Okay. And you can send a copy to anyone with the link. They can also explore the same. You can share it with your team members, right? So just try this for now and let me know. So if in case you want any other explanation, because in Rise 360, it's all about the templates and how to create the course from the blank. Creation of the course from the blank we'll cover in the next session. This is all that is there majorly in the Rise 360. If you want any specific topic to be explained much further, please let me know because it's just adding of the block content and modifying the existing content in over here, right? Okay, so thank you everyone. And I do hope you all are going through the recordings or trying to create something on your own. In case you want a recap of any of the topic, please let me know. Okay.